Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the ultimate prestige milestone of unlocking the legendary gold wristband in Forza Horizon 6, representing the absolute pinnacle of the festival hierarchy. This prestigious wristband serves as proof that you have truly conquered the streets of Japan. To start this elite journey, you must first progress far enough through the campaign to unlock all 5 primary festival outpost branches across the map, including road racing, dirt, cross-country, street scene, and the specialized drift zones. Once all outposts are fully built, your next major objective is to aggressively accumulate accolade points. You will need to open your campaign menu and tackle specific high-tier challenges, master long skill chains, win championship events, and smash hidden boards until your total accolade score hits the massive milestone of 150,000 points. Hitting this number triggers a special radio call from the festival director, unlocking the grand finale showcase event. Driving across the finish line of this epic cross-country race will officially award your character the shiny gold wristband. This legendary unlock permanently updates your driver profile badge, grants you an exclusive golden hypercar reward car completely for free, and officially cements your status as a Horizon Hall of Fame champion that everyone else on the road will instantly respect. Subscribe the channel for more videos.